Beautiful day in South Florida. We're in the city of Miramar, located about 21 miles northwest of downtown Miami. We have this house for sale that was just listed. It's at the gated community of Silver Lakes. We feature 3,029 square feet, 4 bedroom, 3 bathroom with a two-car garage. It has one of the bedrooms downstairs with a full bathroom, so it's great for those multi-generational families. We also have top-rated schools. There is a pool with a spa and a lakefront. Would you like to see it? Let me show it to you.